Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, welcome to the second video of the course Digital Electronics. In the first video we have started number systems. In the first video we have seen the basics of the digital and analog system. This is the basics of how the electronic system can be classified. If you have not seen that video, the link might be flashing on the right side. You can click on that link and you can go and watch the video. We have also introduced the different number systems. Basically in the digital electronics we are going to learn decimal number system, binary, octal and hexadecimal number system. So decimal means there are 10 symbols, binary means there are 2 symbols in the numbers, octal means there are 8 symbols, 0 to 7, and for hexadecimal 16 symbols, that is 0 to 9, A to F. In this video we are going to explore the binary number system in very detail. Okay, so this whole video is dedicated to binary number system. So binary number system, that means binary means 2 symbols. Also it is known as base 2 number system. Okay, base 2 number system, or you can say radix 2 number system. The meaning of all these are the same. As there are 2 symbols, it is base 2 number system, it is radix 2 number system, it is binary number system. So there are only 2 symbols, 0 and 1. We will not use anything apart from 0 and 1. Most of the computers, not most, but all the computers in the world, they operate on these 2 numbers only. They store the information in these 2 numbers only. They work on these 2 symbols only, that is 0 and 1. Using 0 and 1, all the computers in the world are operated. They stores all the informations in 0 and 1, even your video, even your audio, your photographs, everything are stored in 0 and 1. So that is why in the digital electronics, understanding of the binary number system becomes quite important. So how to read numbers that are in binary? Okay, so that is what we will learn in this. So binary number system has 2 symbols, 0 and 1, as we have discussed. Now what I will do is I'm going to write decimal numbers over here, and its equivalent binary I'm going to write on the right side. Okay, so the decimal 0 in binary can be read as 0 only. Decimal 1 in binary can be read as 1 only. So as there are 2 symbols, 0 and 1, so for decimal 0 and 1, the binary will also be 0 and 1. Now in the decimal we have 2, but in binary we cannot write 2 because there are no such symbol like 2. Okay, so what is the equivalent of 2 in binary? So for that I'm going to write the answer here. It is 10. The 10 is representing 2, but how does it represent? So for that, how to read the numbers? Okay, so if you wanted to understand the binary representation of the decimal, then we need to go for the power of 2. Okay, 2 dash to 0, 2 dash to 1, 2 dash to 2, 2 dash to 3. Okay, first of all I'm going to give you the basic example. So we are taking from 2 dash to 0 to 2 dash to 3. We know that 2 dash to 0 is equal to 8. We know that 2 dash to 2 is equal to 4. We know that 2 dash to 1 is equal to 2. We know that 2 dash to 0 is equal to 1. So the decimal 2 in binary is known as 10. But how does that come? So for that, here if you see, now we have 8, 4, 2 and 1, right? If I only want 2, if I only want what? 2. So what I will do, I will not consider 8, I will not consider 4, I will not consider 1. What I will consider is 2. Okay, if I add all of these, right, the total becomes 15. But if I do not consider 8, 4 and 1, the total will become 2. So what I will do is, in the place of 8, I will put 0. In the place of 4, I will put 0. In the place of 2, as I want to keep it, I will put 1. In the place of 1, I don't want to keep it, I will put 0. This will be read as 2. This 1 represents the power 2 dash to 1. So this 1 represents 2. This 0 represents 2 dash to power 0. But as the value is 0, it will not be counted. Right? This 0 represents the power 2 dash to 2. But as the value is 0, it will not be counted. So it will be read as 0. This 0 represents power of 2 dash to power 3. But as the value is 0, it will not be considered. It will be read as 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1 will be equal to 0. right? But in binary, what we have is 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, 0, 0, 1, 0. Zeros that are before 1, there is no meaning of that. So basically it is nothing but 1, 0, right? So this is how we convert the decimal number into binary. Now we will take more examples so that you get clear cut idea. So now 3, okay, what we want? 3, binary of 3. We simply check. What we will check? 8, 4, 2, 1. What do we want? We want 3. So what we can consider? We can consider 2 plus 1. If we have 2 plus 1, the equivalent answer will be 3. So we do not consider 8, we do not consider 4, we will consider 2 and 1. So in the place of 8, we will put 0. In the place of 4, we will put 0. In the place of 2, as we want it, we will put 1. In the place of 1, as we want it, we will put 1. Okay, so the equivalent will become 3. So 0, 0, 1, 1. We do not have to consider the zeros that are before the 1 because it makes no such meaning. So the binary equivalent of 3 is double 1. Okay, so this is how we do the conversion from decimal to binary. I'm just explaining that how binary number system works, okay, with the simple example of 8421. If you do not know how to do the conversion from decimal to binary, what are the binary numbers from 0 to 15, what are the binary numbers from 0 to 25, you always have to remember this shortcut that I'm explaining you, that is 8421 shortcut. Okay, you just add the things that you want for your decimal, right? Again, we will take simple examples. Let's say we want to have the binary of 7. Okay, so what we will do, we will go to our shortcut, that is 8421. Now what do we want? We want 7. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 will become 7. So 8 is the thing that we will not consider. So we will put 0 for that. 4 we want because 4 plus 2 plus 1 will become 7. So 4 we want. So we will put 1 over here. For 2 we will put 1. For 1 also we will put 1. Okay. So this becomes the binary of 7. This becomes the binary of 7. So the binary of 7 is nothing but 1, 1, 1. Right. So in this video, what we will do is we will make the binary from 0 to 7. Okay. So we know that for 0, the binary is also 0. For 1, the binary is also 1. For 2, we have just seen the binary is 1, 0. For 3 also we have just seen the binary is double 1. Okay, the battery is currently low. Let me just get the charger. Yeah, so quickly, the binary of 3 is double 1. We have just seen in this video only. Now we want the binary of 4. Okay, so we'll go to here, 4, 8, 4, 2, 1. What do we want? We want 4 only. So 0, 1, 0, 0. This is the binary of what? 4. Yes, exactly. Very good. You are learning with me. Okay, now let's quickly do the binary of 5. What do we want? 8, 4, 2, 1. What do we want? We want is 5. So we will keep 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 becomes 5. So 1 and 1. And 0 and 0 for 8 and 2. So this becomes the binary of 5. So that is nothing but what? 1, 0, 1. Exactly. Very good. Now for 6, come on. 8, 4, 2, 1. What do we want? We want is 6. So for 6, what can we do? 4 plus 2. As 4 plus 2, we will keep 1 for that. Other than that, we will keep 0. Right? For this also 0. So it is nothing but 1, 1, 0. Again, 7. For 7, we have already done. That is nothing but triple 1. Right? So we have just seen the binary for 0 to 7. Let's go further. Let's make it for 8 to 15. Okay, for 8, we have 8, 4, 2, 1. What do we want? We want only 8. So we will keep 1 for them and 0 for the rest of the number 4 to 1. So it becomes what? 1, triple 0. Come on, let's go for 9. For 9, 8, 4, 2, 1. What do we want? 8 plus 1 will become 9. So 1 for 8 and 1 for 1. So 8 plus 1. So this is nothing but 1, 0, 0, 1. Next, 10. Okay, for 10, what do we want? 8, 4, 2, 1. What we can do? 8 plus 2 will become 10. So 1 for this and 1 for this. For rest of the number, 0, 0. So it becomes what? 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, for 11. Okay, what do we want? 11. So 8, 4, 2, 1. So 8 plus 2 will become 10. Plus 1 will become 11. So 1, 1, 1 and 0 for this. So it becomes 1, 0, 1, 1. Now next 12. Okay, 8, 4, 2, 1. What do we want? 12. So 8 plus 2, 8 plus 4 will become 12. So 1 for 8, 1 for 4. For rest of the number 0, 0. So it becomes what? 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay, now 13. 8, 4, 2, 1. What do we want? 13. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Okay, so 1, 1, 0, 1. So it becomes what? 1, 1, 0, 1. Now the last two number. Okay, 14. What do we want? 14. So 8, 4, 2, 1. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 14. So 1 for 8, 1 for 4 and 1 for 2. So it becomes what? 1 1 1 and 0. And for 15, come on, if you are following, you can directly write down without watching, without doing 8421 trick. That is nothing but 1 1 1 1. Okay, so using 8421 trick, what you can do? You can do the binary of 0 to 15. But what about 16? Right? That is the question that students always ask. Sir, what about 16? So if you are following me, if you are seeing this video thoroughly, that you might have seen that what we have taken till the power of 3. So till the power of 3, it will give you 8. So 8 4 2 1. Now 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 will always give you 15. But what if you wanted to have the binary of bigger number, right? 16 17 18. So what you can do, you can again add the next power of the 2, that is 2 raised to 4. So I'll just do the I'll do the thing over here. So 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 0. That is nothing but 1 2 4 8 and 16. Yes, very good, 16. See students, please remember that this is the shortcut trick of representing the binary number, right? Representing the decimal into binary. But whenever you have a very large number, let's say 10,000 in decimal, and you need to do the binary of 10,000, then you need to follow the method. That method we are going to cover in the next video. What I am teaching you right now is the shortcut trick to remember the binary of 0 to 15. Why binary of 0 to 15 is important? Because as we move in this course, at so many places, we need binary of 0 to 15. So at that time, the binary of 0 to 15 should be by heart to us. We do not have the time to do the separate conversion for 0 to 15. Please remember, 0 to 15's binary should always be by heart to you, because it will be used at so many places. So at that time, we are not having any time to do the separate conversion and write down, because those question is like that. If you are putting so many effort, so many time just to have the binary of 0 to 15, you will consume your 5-10 minutes more. So you will not be able to complete the paper of digital electronics in your exam, right? So for that purpose, I'm teaching you the shortcut trick to have the binary of 0 to 15. What you need to remember is 8421. But if you wanted to have, if you have bigger number, let's say 16. Okay, so for 16, as we only want to keep 16, we will keep 1 for 16. For rest of the number 0 0 0 0. So this becomes the binary of 16. Similar to that, if you want to have a binary of, let's say 25. Okay, so 16 8 4 2 1. How do we get 25? What is 16 plus 4? That is 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 22 plus 1, 23. So we will not get 25. Okay, again we will write 16 8 4 2 1. 16 plus 8 is what? 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. So we will keep these three things: 1 1 0 0 1. So this becomes the binary of 25. So in this manner, here if you do the addition, 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, 16 plus 8 is 24, 24 plus 4 is 28, plus 2 is 30, plus 1 is 31. So using all this 1 1 1 1 1, you can make the binary till 31. If you have the bigger number than 31, then you again have to add another power, that is 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5 is 32. So like that, if you have the bigger number, you can add the new power of the binary of the 2, and you can have the conversion like this. But again, this method is not convenient if you have the bigger number. I'm clearly telling you, this method is very convenient for 8421, that means for 0 to 15, and that is what you need to remember throughout in this subject. 8421 for the binary 0 to 15, right? 0 to 15 binary should be by heart to you. After this video, right, you should always remember the binary of 0 to 15. Here we have done it. Okay, 0 to 7 and 8 to 15. So in total 0 to 15, the binary of 0 to 15 should always be by heart to you. So this is what we will keep in this video. In the next video, we will see, we will explore the next number system. We have not started the number conversion yet. I'm just explaining you the number system. After exploring all the number system, we will start the number conversion. Okay, and then we will see another things in the digital electronics. See, this subject is very interesting, but throughout this subject, if you wanted to understand, you need to pay attention. Your focus should be here, and that is why I'm making the videos in this way, so that all the basics and all the fundamentals are covered, and then we can build different things. Fine. So without boring you more, I'll keep the video till this point. If you have any questions, any doubt, you can always put comment in this video. I'll always answer you. So thank you very much, students. Let's meet in the next video.